Hello, my name is St.Claire and this is the world's most underground craft channel, and this week we're making the dress from Midsommar. Made the dress, sewed the flowers on, lost my mind, made the crown, and it was all done by me. And you can do it too. Come on, welcome. First thing we need to do is make the dress all of the flowers will attach to, and with that we have got hula hoops. So that like it holds its shape. And then just sew around, and then we'll have a tube. Tube of fabric, attach at the shoulders, because it just needs to be a big pyramid shape. $2.30. Look how good that looks. Oh, look at that. Perfect sewing. I feel like Florence Pugh in Midsommar after she's won the pole dancing. No, what's that thing called? What's that, the pole, and they dance around it with the string. It's not pole dancing, you know that one. You know, what's that one? They didn't have string in it, they just held each other's hands, and it's called a maypole. I feel like that. I feel good, but also a little apprehensive of what's to come. I'm quick. Now it's time for flowers. I've got this one, white one, this one, orange, this one. I've got like 6 or 7 of these. Daisy, these ones, white, blue, this one, these two, these. I don't know what this one is. This one. Okay, get through these now. This one, these two, this one, that one. Lavender coloured, not the flower. White, purple. Woohoo! I think this one's my favourite. This, the same type of flower. This one. Ah, you thought I was doubling up. No, I've actually got 3 of them. They're all here. Another one of those. This one, these two, couple of droopers. Smells artificial. 2 more. Where are they? Join your friends. This, and this. Woohoo! That was exhausting just doing that, and yes, I still am a little bit worried that I don't have enough, but we will see. Fingers crossed this will be fine. Now here is the plan. We are going to make it like this. We are going to make it look like this. Basically, we have our green dress, and then we're just gonna sew all of the flowers on so I look like the May Queen. And here's the scary part of the whole thing. I'm hand stitching this all. I know, spooky. This is gonna really hurt. But yeah, I don't think there's any other way. I do just have to hand... starting at the back, because this these first ones might be a little rough, but we'll see. It sticks. Let's talk about Midsommar. It's a movie. It's fantastic. It's spooky. It's one of my favorites, but the first 20 minutes, ho 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 ho! Spooky stuff. There's a girl called Danny, and she goes from this to this. And along the way, some transformative things happen. You should probably watch it. Like, watch it now, after this. But okay, that's enough. Back to sewing. Hello, apologies for the interruption, but funny thing, my camera actually broke halfway through making this dress. It was a nightmare. I had to like send it away and everything. It was kind of awful. I was stressed, and the whole thing became a bit too much really. But I've decided to continue. So please forgive me if the quality is a little bit rubbish for the next bit. I tried my best, but I was struggling. I can't believe it's done. I cannot believe it's done. This absolute gorgeous, maybe the best thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, life's work, last work. That was the hardest thing I've ever done. Blistered the fingers. This took so long. They have now healed. My camera broke. Turns out though I have learned that you can just hire cameras. Mine's in the shop. I'm quite concerned. I don't know when I'm going to get it back. I'm just sitting here looking at it. I am chuffed. Oh my. Time to make the hat. I got cardboard. Found this in the rubbish bin. And while we do this, let's talk about the rules of Halloween. Brave St.Claire, rules for Halloween. I'm seeing a lot of things out there that's just breaking the rules of Halloween. and it is starting to annoy me. So let's fix that. First and only rule, Halloween is spooky. That's it. Guys, come on. I'm seeing too many people dressing up like pop culture things that has nothing to do with being scary. I'm not saying everything has to be scary and terrifying, but make it a little bit spooky. Quick tip, I've done it before. If you are just dressing up as someone and you want to make it a little bit spooky, just draw like a red thing around your neck and be like decapitated version of this person, but I put the head back on, and so now all you see is like a little red line. So you can cheat and do it like that, but things have to be spooky. Glued my hair, it's fine. 3, 2, I also forgot another rule of Halloween. If you don't have kids at home, you have to buy the full-size chocolate bars. That's just the rules. Kids at home, buy those little treat ones. No kids at home. Sorry, bud. I don't make the rules. And with that, let's wrap it up. That was the rules of Halloween. Jump scared, jump! How good does this look? Oh, look! Look did the hat! Look did the crown! That's the word! Look at this! Oh, I love it! I forgot to sew hand little holes, so I'm like trapped, but... Chef, look at me! Can you see the bottom? A couple of things I have noticed while making it. The hula hoop at the bottom, best decision I've ever made. If I put boning or anything like that in it, too weak. You really need a big, thick, hard rod like a hula hoop. You know what? I feel so good in this, I don't even care that I don't have a Halloween party to go to. Don't even care. It's just about the Instagram post anyway, isn't it? Wow. It is for me. Thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire. Click the links, you know. Also, if you do make anything, let me know. I'm a big fan of yours. Love yourself. Thank you very much.